Hello, this is Jacob from Adtolo. Today I wanted to show you how to make text objects or to convert text objects into heights in these lines, or make the objects lines and points inherit the heights from this text that I got from an AutoCAD drawing, 2D drawing. All the lines here are at 0. You can see have no heights here, and to get this done in Topocad you have to go through a few steps. First I will filter out all of these texts in the drawing. They are in the same layer, so I'll just use our fast filter here, and then I will go to the text 2 points, and as you see here I get 3,500 points, and we can later use these points to generate a terrain model that I will show you in just a moment. Here we have the points. I will select all of them again, and as you see we didn't get the position quite right, so I will move them all at once to the correct spot, and next I will generate a DTM. Terrain, create DTM to the drawing, and then I will use the heights from DTM. Move points to DTM height. Like this. This is quite some objects, but it's just gonna take like half a minute or so. And that's the final step. After that we can just remove the terrain model and the points if we don't feel we need them anymore. Okay, there we go. I'm just gonna remove them for now. And now we have the drawing in 3D. We have heights, as you can see, and that's it. Now we're done. So this is something you can do in Topocad, and hope it helps you out. Thanks.